Thank you, Richard. Hello, everybody.
Hey, Joe.
Thank you very much. You're very gracious and kind. I appreciate that. So, you know, Jules was talking about cleaning, and we do know that there's a lot of businesses that have closed, and we're depending on some of our programs that we have in the city, and one of them is Clean and Green, and the kids come out and they clean up for us. They're now going into residential areas where there's been construction, and construction is stopped. So I know Jules, as a matter of fact, I saw an email, just gave Clean and Green this very long list of locations. But please feel free to contact my office, as well as Jules at Soha, and let us know if there's an area that you think needs to be cleaned. The future of the city, we're not sure yet. There's a lot of budget cuts. The ones I can tell you about, so you don't have any high expectations, is this year there will be no sidewalk repairs. West Nile Mitigation Fund, the pooling that you sometimes have on your streets because of the grade, that program will not be available as well. The speed hump division, that will not be available. Illegal news racks, that will not be available. Now also the illegal sign division, because you know we see all these illegal signs everywhere. In fact, Matt Epstein's great at calling me about these signs. But I do have this inspector, Jorge Laredo, from the Street Use Enforcement Division, and I had a conversation with him the other day. And even though they're not supposed to be taking these down under the division, he's going to continue to take these signs down in Sherman Oaks for me. So if you do see signs that shouldn't be out there advertising for a business, you let me know, and I'm happy to call them and have them removed. And that's about it for now. Thank you so much.